In a quiet corner behind Wat Svay Porpe, away from the noise of the city, you'll find two humble young men with big dreams. Every day from early morning to sunset, they clean between 10 to 20 motorbikes. Each bike costs just $1.25 to clean. Not much, but enough to keep them going. They're not just workers, they're the founders. They started this small business on their own. No big capital, no fancy shop. Just two pairs of hands, a hose, some soap, and a whole lot of determination. The space they use, they rent it. Just a small spot behind the pagoda. It's not much, but to them, it's everything. It's freedom, it's pride. It's a way to build their future, one clean motor at a time. Their story is simple, but powerful. Hard work, honesty, friendship, and a dream that's slowly coming true. Right here, behind Wat Svay Porpe.